Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about a one cue card. Its name is Describe an Invention. Its cues are what the invention is, how you use this invention, whether it is difficult to use it. Well, there is no doubt that technology has changed the world as well as humans' life. In order to make life easier, several things have been invented by humans. Here I am going to talk about one of those inventions which has made the individual's life convenient. It is none other than a mobile phone. Since the invention of cell phone, it has given a plethora of benefits to individuals in many ways. Moreover, it was invented by John Francis Mitchell and Martin Cooper in New York. In addition, the first cell phone was invented in 1973 and it was branded by Motorola company. However, no can deny the fact that this invention has proved really fruitful for the world. Before this gadget's invention, people had not any best way to communicate in few seconds, or also they had less entertainment in their life without mobile phone. Nowadays almost every person has smartphone and they are dependent on mobile for many purposes. To explain it more, I also use this invention for various purposes. I prepare my assignments and do other study related work through smartphone. Additionally, I also use this gadget for entertainment purpose such as playing games, watching videos, listen to music and communicate with friends through social media. Apart from this gadget is useful to connect with every near and far person within seconds, as well as businessmen can also do their most of business work through mobile phone. On the other hand, today's smartphones are far easier to use. Even children can use it without someone's help. No doubt it is useful for all age groups because they all may get advantage of its facilities in own way. So this is an invention that has changed the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.